Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deep and you guys have tuned into miss.diva.deep. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show soft glam makeup look. This look gonna be glowy and decent, which you can wear in any occasion. Now starting off with Swiss Beauty Pearl Primer, I'm gonna take a small pump of it and applying it all over my lid. To make my eye even toned, I'm applying this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and blend it well using GLAM Beauty Blender. Now for eyeshadow, I'm using this Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe and applying this Sexy Beach shade all over my lid. Now I'm gonna apply some glitter on my eyeshadow. For that, I'm using this Wet n Wild pressed glitter and applying it in the mid of my eyelid. Now as our eyeshadow is done, I'm applying this Lakme Insta liner on my lid area. Guys, I'm already done with my falsies, as you guys can see. I'm gonna apply this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm gonna take this Heatwave shade from the same palette to fill my lower lash line. I'm applying this Toasted shade from the same palette to fill my inner corners. Now guys, I'm completely done with my eye makeup. Now it's time for face makeup. Firstly, I'm gonna apply this Nykaa skin portion all over my face. Also on my neck area, which I have already done behind the camera. And then I'm applying this Swiss Beauty Pearl Primer on the required areas of my face. Now I'm gonna use the Savannah Color Air Touch Foundation, and along with that I'm using this Miss Clair Face Illuminator and mixing both the products by using foundation brush. I'm applying it all over my face, and don't forget to apply it on the neck area. Guys, I am super active on Instagram. Instagram handle is popping up on the screen as well as in the description box, so you can follow me from there. Now blend it all. Now it's time to apply concealer, and I'm using this Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer on the required areas of my face, as you guys can see, to even out my skin. And now I'm gonna blend it all. Now to make my face look sharpen, I am applying this Maybelline New York V Duo Stick to contour my face. I am applying this on the cheek area, nose, forehead and jawline. Favorite O2O liquid blush and applying it on the apple of my cheek. Now I'm applying this Lakme Whitening Rose Powder under my eyes as well as on the forehead, just to make the look more subtle. For highlighter, I am using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and applying it like so. Now the last step is to apply lipstick, and I am using this Nykaa Creamy Matte Bon Appetit Baby on my lip. So guys, this is my whole look. As you guys can see, this white top and blue grayish jeans along with these white heels. That's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified for my upcoming videos. Also leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.